Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Iswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about energy and types of energy. So, for performing or for doing any type of work, we need energy. And there are different types of energy are there. In other words, we are able to do anything because of energy. So energy is the ability to do work. Again I am repeating, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is the ability to do work, or the ability to do work is called energy. The ability to do work is called energy. Now there are simply two types of energy. The first type of energy is called kinetic energy and the second is potential energy. So the energy because of any type of motion, the energy because of any type of motion is called kinetic energy, and the energy because of the stationary position of an object is called potential energy. It's called potential energy. So the water stored in a dam has potential energy, but if that water starts flowing, the energy is formed, and then it is transformed into the form of kinetic energy. So these are the two forms of energy, kinetic and potential. There are other kinds of energy also: heat energy, sound energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, and several other types of energy. And one form of energy can transform into other form of energy. One form of energy can be transformed into other form of energy. For example, when we switch an electric bulb, the electric energy transformed into heat and light energy. The energy transformed into the form of heat and light energy. Now we are going to discuss about the sources of energy. So there are several types of sources of energy are there, but on the earth the main source of energy is sun. The main source of energy is sun, and most of the natural works or whatever energy we are using is the energy of sun, and this energy is called solar energy, and this energy circulates in all living beings. This energy can also be used to generate electricity energy. So this solar energy is the basis of life on this planet Earth. Then comes the energy of wind. We know that when wind starts blowing very fastly, then what? It can destroy everything in its way. So by the help of a windmill, by the help of windmill, we can use this kinetic energy of wind to generate electricity. Not only that, in the sea, in the oceans, in the past, people use this energy of sea to sail big ships and boats also. So this is what is wind energy is. Then comes the energy of water. As I told you, in a dam, if water is stored, then it has potential energy, but if this water starts moving, the potential energy transforms into kinetic energy. And in dams, what will happen? Water is stored in huge amount, and these dams are on very high walls. So at the top of the wall there is a place, or there are doors and windows from where we allow water to fall, and water starts falling from these places and fall down from a great height with a great speed. And then there are on the downside there are some electrical equipments are there, and they start moving by this kinetic energy of water, and this energy is transformed into electrical energy. These machines are called dynamos. So whatever you will study in the higher classes. Here only we have to understand this. The kinetic energy of water is used to produce electric energy. In the previous chapter, we had studied that matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. These atoms have huge energy, possesses very huge energy. When they join or when they split, this energy will be released. So this energy is used in the nuclear power station to produce electricity, and we are using this electricity in our homes to get light from the bulb and wind from the fan. So this is what atomic energy is. Then also we can generate energy, electrical energy from the heat of the earth, inside heat of the earth, and that is called geothermal energy. This energy is called geothermal energy. The energy which we get from the heat of the earth, that is from the inside of the earth, this energy is called geothermal energy. Sometimes hot water springs or geysers will appear from the earth, or inside the earth hot water comes on the surface. This is because of the heat of the earth, and we can use this heat energy to produce electricity, and this energy is called geothermal energy. So here this geothermal energy is converted into what? Electric energy. So class, I hope you are able to understand about what is energy. That is, the ability to do work is called energy. Then we discuss the different forms of energy: solar energy, wind energy, water energy, atomic energy, and geothermal energy, and the types of energy, that is kinetic and potential energy. So class, if you have any problem, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day, be safe at home, and happy Diwali and happy Chhath Puja. Enjoy a lot but with safety. So thank you class, have a nice day, be safe at home.